Hey there, Shinky here, bringing you the latest in tech and AI. Today, we're diving into a future where robots and gadgets are not just evolving, but revolutionizing our world. Imagine humanoid robots that read emotions and adapt socially in real time. They're not just assistants anymore, they're collaborators in our workplaces. Amazon's Vulcan robot arm is setting new standards in precision, while Lenovo's Lexiang No. 1 combines AI with human-like grace. And let's not forget Alana, the 3D printed robot with the charm of Wall-E and the mind of ChatGPT. On the gadget front, Apple's smart glasses are getting a major AR chip upgrade, promising sharper visuals and smarter interactions. Meanwhile, Boat's Storm Infinity Plus smartwatch is like having a personal assistant on your wrist, and Redmi's Watch Move is all about endurance with its rugged design and long-lasting battery. Now, let's talk retail. Amazon and Walmart are quietly transforming shopping with AI-driven robotics, making every logistics node a high-efficiency machine. It's not just about speed, it's about redefining retail in an age of ambient intelligence. For startups, this means thinking APIs, not aisles. And for professionals, it's time to collaborate with, not compete against, retail AI. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Turn your selfies into studio shots for free. And if you're crafting emails for a limited time offer, we've got the perfect AI prompt for you. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, this is Shinky and the Hanuman AI team, keeping you ahead in the AI game.